Alright, yeah. It's about 3 a.m., May 20th, 2022. I'm at work, and the building that I do security in has a security robot that patrols the area. It's named Hank. It's pretty awesome. Check it out, look at it close to it. And it makes a pretty cool sound too. It's pretty wild. Huh. Isn't that something? Wow, it's got cameras all the way around it. It's got an emergency button on it to, if you press it, the police will show up. That is just wild. Let's see if I can get ahead of it. And it has charging stations where like there's a charging station in the background, that little white box. It's pretty awesome, huh? Yep. Alright. I'm downtown Nashville, Tennessee. Yeah, when I'm not fishing or cooking, I'm doing security. But anyway, pretty cool.